are here sharing a day in the life in San Diego, escaping the cold. So for all you snowbirds out there, here's some things to do while you're in San Diego. We've got places to be. So relaxed.
I don't even have words right now. I'm just soaking it in.
It felt so nice to stretch.
Yeah, it was an amazing class. It was a little intense, but also very relaxing at the same time. It definitely got us warmed up and ready for some more activities today.
We're feeling really good and we've worked up an appetite. Time to make some food. We have made it to the farmer's market. It's just a few blocks away, and in typical Denise and Reed fashion, we're running late. I've been wanting lion's mane mushrooms for a long time, so I'm hoping they'll have some, but if not, it's just a great way to see the area. Little Italy is supposed to be the biggest farmer's market in Southern California.
San Diego County.
In San Diego County. We do love to support small businesses, so it is a great way to do that.
It's called jaywalking.
As far as parking goes, that's what took us the most time.
It's pretty cheap though. It was like $1.25 an hour. So parking in downtown San Diego, you have to pay pretty much everywhere, but it's affordable. It's not like Chicago.
We're like not big city people, just little city people, so it's a little different.
How much did these go for?
Those 7.
We got what we came for, even though everybody's breaking down and we're late. We caught the mushroom man right before he put it away.
Let's see him.
Success.
Got it.
What are you gonna make with this, Denise?
I'm so excited.
I really want sea moss too. If anybody out there takes sea moss, let me know how it makes you feel.
Reed is like huge into taking samples everywhere. So if we go to a farmer's market, he'll take a sample from every single place.
Look at that.
It's all non-GMO corn and oil.
Found ya.
There's this really good tempeh over there I want you to try. It's soy free. It's like mung bean and chickpeas.
Okay. I also saw some tamales I wanted to look at.
I know, they were chicken tamales.
It was huge, like they say, that it's the biggest one in San Diego County, and it was just full of amazing things.
A lot of cold weather places, you can't go to the farmer's market in January. I love farmer's markets because you get to see everybody's creativity.
It's time for us to go paddleboarding. The sun is sunning today.
Oh, look at that kitty. Oh yeah, you can stay right here on my lap.
I have never tried on this wetsuit. It was given to me by my friend Anais, and I'm really hoping it fits. Honestly, I don't even really know how to put on a wetsuit. Does this go in the back? Oh, come on. It's supposed to be tight, right? Ugh. Okay. Is this the right way? I'm such a weenie when it comes to cold. I have to wear one of these. Oh no.
You look kind of badass.
Thank you. How tight are these supposed to be? Someone tell me, because it's pretty tight. I'm gonna wear this halfway. It's a little excessive. All right.
Let's pump this bad boy up. It's like a HIIT workout. I set it up and then you bring it home, baby. Let's go.
This is good. I haven't done arm day in a while. This is our reminder to get outside, enjoy nature, because you're gonna have fun. I'm so glad we're out in the water. paddleboarders. I think it's really pretty and peaceful though.
Yesterday was very windy and we saw some crazy waves, so when we looked up paddleboard spots, we were trying to find somewhere that was very chill. And so in Mission Bay, in this cove area, Bonita Cove, is very calm and relaxing. The water isn't, saw some seaweed, got scared.
Reed is thinking that there's a shark stalking us.
She'll hear us.
He is afraid of all the... Stop!
Oh, it's just a cormorant.
We thought that there was something.
You said that you think there's sharks in swimming pools still, so...
I do!
Don't come for me.
Alright,
We both have
that's
an
true.
irrational fear of sharks.
We've made it back to land. The seal's there.
The seal was following us back.
I wish we could show you, but he already dunked his head.
The little seal was wishing us well on our way in, just following us in, cruising, hoping we throw some tuna bites out for him. But now it's time for us to get some tuna bites.
That's right.
When we came to Dog Beach a few years ago, Bella had the time of her life, and I was really wondering if she would remember this place. And as soon as we pulled in with the windows down, she started freaking out and started going, "Arr, arr." She knows what's up. That's so cool. You ready? It's hard to believe that our van life journey started right here in San Diego 6 years ago. We rented an Airbnb, a van, an old small van from like the 80s, but the catch was they took the keys and parked us up right here at Sunset Cliffs. This spot right here is very special, and maybe it's the reason why we got on the road in the first place.
Yeah, it's so funny to reflect on that. I can walk maybe like 20 steps and I'm at the spot that she parked us at and just left, took the keys from the van and left. And we were like, are we allowed to park here? We knew nothing about regulations on parking a van in the area, and we just were like, all right, I guess we're just here. The van was a small, tiny van. It was low roof, and it was musty and wet inside, kind of damp. That experience was not at all like the van experience we have now, and somehow it brought us here though.
Great experience catching the sunset at Sunset Cliffs. It is not cliche. It is a must do in any season, but to enjoy it in the wintertime is great, and it's just a reminder of all the things you could do outdoors out here in the wintertime. It's in the 50s right now, so we got light jackets on, but you know, we've been very fortunate to be able to go paddleboarding and see people surfing, doing yoga, hiking, doing all these things that typically you would think of doing in the spring or summer. But down here you have a little bit of extended season outdoors.
I am so glad that we got to do this, and
falling.
Reed is slipping. Bye. Sharks and stuff?
I hope he doesn't do that. There's no sharks in here.
You're going without me?
Yeah. See you later, sucker.
He literally just left me. Why'd you leave me?
I was born alone.
Do you have the van key? So I can at least go sit down?
I got the van key.
Live in a van with another person, they said. It'll be fun, they said.
But get away from the
I
cliffs.
just love you and
Me or the channel?
you, and I love y'all. On to the next adventure. Let's go.